guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's already 2025 and I need to be getting my life in order. I feel like the last few weeks have been just crazy. I was sick twice, I had food poisoning, and then I went to Arizona. So I feel like there's a lot of things that I've kind of let go of keeping clean. So I need to get all of those things in order. New Year has been a very slow start for me, but I'm determined to change that. So today I'm gonna be doing a clean my house vlog with me. One of my New Year's resolutions is to start filming more long form content on YouTube because that's honestly what I enjoy more. But come along with me today. We are resetting my entire house. I'm also making sourdough at the moment. While the sourdough is cooking, we're gonna start resetting this house. Some vacuum seal bags off of Amazon a few days ago. So I'm gonna open them up and we are going to vacuum seal some of these pillows that came originally with the couch, but I absolutely hate because they're blue. And it makes this little reading nook area look so cluttered and messy. I also needed some for all of my like Christmassy pajamas because I don't keep those out year round. And the bag I had from last year ripped when I pulled it out this year. So I'm hoping these ones are better quality than the ones that I got at Target. Now that I can see how big the pillow is inside of this bag, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit all of them. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna keep these blue ones out simply because they match this cute palm pillow and I think those will be fine. I just can't deal with these ones with all these swirls on it. Okay, these are way better than the Target ones. So I started off by using the Dyson and it just didn't take enough air out. So it came with this little pump, which actually is so handy. I don't think I've ever gotten my vacuum bags to be this small. Now it's small enough that I can just slide it underneath our guest bed and don't have to worry about it. It's not perfect, but I definitely think it's better than it was. There is so much going on in this room. The TV behind me is actually going to get mounted. hopefully this weekend, but I need to clean up and we need to pack up all of my Christmas stuff. This is the bag of clothes that ripped. So I keep all of like my Disney stuff, any Christmas things, stuff that I like don't wear all the time in these vacuum seal bags. And normally I have 2 laundry bins in here, but obviously this bag has been taking up that space. So my room has just felt very chaotic. I also just moved some of my perfumes over onto my dresser. I think I'll move all of them once the TV is actually mounted and get like a cute little tray to display them. Just moved all of my coats to the coat closet, and I think I'm gonna move all of my like matching workout sets over here. Okay, I ended up having to split the video over multiple days because my camera kept dying, but we got the TV hung. I still have a little bit of cleaning up to do. I have to get rid of all of the stuff from hanging the TV, and then I'll also show you guys these cute little trays that I got from Target. Okay, so this is the first little marble catch-all. I just put some of my jewelry in here, and then my boyfriend's necklace that he left here. I also got this little marble tray to display some of my perfumes, and I'll probably slide that over once I get rid of all of the stuff from hanging the TV. Let's finish up cleaning these last few little things. We are finally done. I love how clean and refreshed everything feels. Just cleaning out my closet and putting a bunch of seasonal clothes away, I feel like took the biggest mental load off of me. There's still a couple things here and there. I think I'm going to move my vision board, which I still need to redo. I have a photo that I want to hang over here. Just a couple last little finishing touches that I will add, but that's everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope this gave you a little bit of motivation to keep going and get through January, because we are just about there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.